Sounds around. How about you stay here and we'll go around? I've proven here. I think you should stay here and we should go around. Okay. So you cover this, give them a live picture.
I'm literally just walking out. I heard that it was a guy hiding in the bushes and he shot. It was at least, they said about 50 shots. It was a semi-automatic rifle. And like 5 people were shot. That's all I heard.
You work at the Y that's right next to where this baseball field is. And can you tell me what this community is like? Is this, I mean, this is an unusual circumstance here.
Very unusual. It's a great community, you know, no problems. It's very quiet around here, you know, it's great people. So it's just crazy to hear something like that happen.